going to be doing that Instagram controls our slime challenge. So first we're going to show you all the ingredients that we got that you guys chose. So the first thing that we got is, oh my god, baby powder. And thank you guys for choosing baby powder because I wanted to see how it turned out with slime. Okay, so let's take out the next item. Foaming soap. So thank you guys for picking foaming soap because I always wanted to try it. Next item. Clear glue, but 2 bottles. This clear glue and that clear glue. Thank you guys for picking clear glue. And 2 more items left. Glitter. It is sparkling glitter, and it's like this holographic white. Now, last ingredient. Yeah, last and not least ingredient. Blue shimmer acrylic paint. I really wanted you guys to pick the metallic, but I still like the shimmer one too. So let's get on to the video. Yeah. So guys, now Marcus is gonna pick from the back, and we don't know what item, and you can't feel it. He can't feel it. He just have to pick it out fast, and whatever we get first, we have to put in here. So let's go. Pick your first item. Glitter.
Oh, glitter already?
Okay. Oh, I want to do the big one.
Oh my god.
How much should we put? Tell me this time. So this is how it looks.
Ooh, glittery.
Next item. This is so pretty actually.
You can't really
Pick it up.
It's hard.
That's probably the baby powder. And when we mix it together, it's gonna look a little weird because we didn't go step by step. So that's the whole point. So it's okay. 3, 2, 1.
Baby. I'm a baby. Oh my god. I'm a baby.
Oh, you're supposed to blow it. Woo!
It's not good.
That's enough. Okay, next item. Stop. Glue. Put that big one. Let's open this up. It's a little sticky, but it's okay. Do you want to add the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open it. So let's add in the glue. I can't wait for this. Oh wait, but the baby powder and the soap is gonna make it white kind of. I should have thought about that. Add it all. Let's cool down there.
I did it. I made it back up.
Okay. Next one. Ooh, my hands are sticky.
Oh, there's 2 more.
Paint. Okay.
Paint.
I don't know how much to put. You need like pump.
I'll tell you. No.
What is that?
That's the thing that comes out.
And that's good. This kind of looks like metallic. Is it? Okay, look, let's show you.
And the last and not least.
So now the last one is soap. Oh, foaming soap. You can pour it in. I'll just go.
Then after soapy mix.
Ooh. That's good.
Smells so good.
So now let's mix it. So this is how it looks. It's like blue.
It's like a blue sky.
It looks cool. I want to add, what do you want to add more of?
Paint. Yeah, paint.
Let's add more paint.
Like a little.
Yeah, a little bit. Ah, the spoon. Okay. I feel like we should add more glitter.
Oh yeah, like put glitter on top, then mix.
Yeah. Get the glitter. Wait, I'll get it. You can pour in the glitter,
I
okay?
can't very much.
I'll open it for you.
What does it look? Does it do little spots?
Okay, pour.
Oh,
Shake
it
it.
comes from that.
Okay, that's enough. This is how it looks.
Ooh, it's so glittery.
It's really glittery. Oh, it's so pretty too. You know how to close it? Okay. Now, once we finish mixing up, we're gonna add Tide. Laundry detergent. So let's start adding some. So hold it. I'll start adding the laundry detergent.
Oh, it feels good.
So this is how it looks. Wait, let's mix this more. It's not turning into slime yet, but we have to keep on mixing. Guys, since this is taking kind of a while and we just started to mix it, we'll see you guys when it's finished. So guys, the slime that we just tried to activate, it didn't work. It's just water. And it was probably our activator because we didn't use Tide, saline solution, borax, or any of that. We used Armor and Hammer. I don't know. Armor and Arm?
So you get it?
Armor. I think it's Arm and Armor. I don't remember. And so that didn't work. So if you guys want to see a video where this is actually slime, stay tuned for the video called Fix My Slime. And we're going to be doing that so we can fix this up.
That's ugly water.
It's just water. So, bye guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did,
subscribe
and smash the like button. And we'll see you on next time. Bye. Peace.
The next day.
Wait, I can fix it right now. So instead of doing a video of fixing my slime, I could just do it right now. So let's get saline solution. Let's add some in. Okay, let's mix it. I hope this thing turns out. And I brought some baking soda with me too. Okay, let's add some baking soda. I'm just it's kind of coming together. See, guys? What? There's like chunkiness. I'm just gonna add a lot, so it's more faster when we do this. It's so chunky. Here's my slime. It's not really that stretchy because it dried out, but this is how much it can go. It's still slime. And then my slime is like a blue shimmer color with holographic and clear glitter. And it's very cool. And I want to put this in warm water, like layer to layer, and I want to see how it looks when it actually is stretchy, because this isn't really stretchy, it rips. And the glitter gets everywhere. Guys, now that I'm finally finished with my slime, you guys can comment down below if you think that I did good fixing this. Because I tried my best, it just dried out, so yeah. So finally, bye guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.